You want to wear the helmet again?
Yeah, come on.
Mommy.
Oh, you want to put it on Nehemiah?
Mommy.
Yeah, buddy.
Mom, that's too heavy.
You want it off?
Yeah.
Sing us a song. Sing a song, dude.
Sing the Dancing Kitty song.
Okay. Yeah, dance. Sing the tree song.
You can sing a tree song?
Yeah. Tree, where the sun went away.
Did you write that one yourself?
Yeah. The sun went away and the sun went away and
Sing the Itsy Bitsy Spider.
a spider kind of washed out. Down came the rain and washed far out. Out came the sun and dry rolling. A spider spell again.
Good job, buddy.